Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Marshall watching your tech and coding channel, my codebox. So guys, in this video we are going to see how to install IntelliJ IDE in Windows 10 or 11. So let's jump into the main agenda of the day. So you have to search IntelliJ here, IntelliJ download, or it's just simply we will say IntelliJ download community edition. Search for it and let's click on this. Same it is recommending there and simply download it. Okay, no need to go here and there. This will be our. Let's click on download. We will download its software somewhere. Let's save it. So it's started downloading and it is around 1 GB. So we can wait for 1 minute. This IDEA downloaded here. Let's click on open and let's open it and install on Windows. I will just minimize this and let's wait. Click next. It will take around 4 GB and it is going to install on C program files, JetBrains, IntelliJ, this one. And next, click. So create desktop shortcut. Click on this and update bin. Add open folder as project. Context menu. Associations.java. .pom. Remaining not needed. As of now, let's click on install and then let's wait till it's being installed here. Finally, this IntelliJ IDE is installed now and this is the latest one. Let's click on run IntelliJ IDE and click on finish and let's wait. IntelliJ is installed now in our system and you can verify here. You can create project from here as it's resolving the Maven dependency. If you have already any Java project, it is opening that, so it's resolving the Maven dependencies and this is finally installed in our system. So this way we can install IntelliJ latest version and you can sign in from here. Start the free trial to use um, the AI part of this IntelliJ JetBrains AI here, AI assistant here. In order to use that, you need to just go through this start free trial